iPad screen or your Keynote presentation, and you are just a tiny little circle or square, depending on the shape that you want to use. And what's nice about this app is that you can zoom in and zoom out and position your camera so that you will look great and pretty during a Zoom meeting. You don't need a film crew, you don't need a fancy studio, you don't even need to pay to be able to produce a more engaging online Zoom classroom or meetings. And you just need to stop teaching from that tiny little box over Zoom. This is Teach It Like You're Streaming. I'm Dr. E, and I started my flipped classroom when I was still teaching at Barstow High School in 2009. Now it's 2026, and I'm still creating content, and this time I want to share with you how you can make your Zoom synchronous teaching more engaging. And for over 15 years, I've been teaching online and creating content online, and I want to share with you my experience and the product of my trial and error in finding ways on how to make my online content creation more efficient, more engaging, and less costly. I have nothing against Zoom or Teams. What I find a little difficult is the layout for Zoom and Teams. It's flat. And here's what I'm trying to say. Here's what most online teaching looks like. There's a giant slide, there's a tiny version of you in the little corner of your Zoom screen, and then there's a whole lot of wasted and empty space around your Zoom screen. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. It's just that, as I've mentioned, it's flat. So your students or your audience, they're just seeing your slideshow, and they forget that there's human actually teaching throughout that Zoom meeting. Your Zoom meeting is now becoming boring. Your students or your audience starts to turn off their camera, go to the bathroom. You're losing the room, and the energy is draining out. So the shift, change the layout. But how are we going to change the layout? So in my experience, I used Ecamm Live for the most content creation that I'm doing and online presentations that I am sharing. I also used OBS before, Camtasia. I'm also using hardware like ATEM Mini and Rodecaster Video, and I also sometimes use Stream Deck to make sure or to enhance my online teaching presentation. Not for me, but for my students. But also for me, because I want something efficient, fast, quick, with less editing and less steps. So here's a little example of what I'm talking about. So in this particular demo, you will see that I am teaching with a regular Zoom meeting, and now using a different layout. And this layout is now coming from my Numberbender Studio. Now do you see the difference? Now you are bigger, now you are more present, and your face and your energy is now coming alive, and your audience and your students are now more engaged with you because now you're building a relationship. You are making learning more visual, and engaging is now increasing. Now your presentation and you are front and center like a real broadcast. Your content, it could be your PowerPoint presentation if you're a PC person, or Keynote if you are like me using a Mac, and your iPad. Now it's all on Zoom, presented in a way like you are delivering a news or presenting on TV. Because that's how online teaching should be, right? So now every inch of your screen is working to hold your students and your audience attention all throughout your Zoom presentation, because now you have a better layout. And that is the whole idea on why I developed this web app, Numberbender Studio. So it's more intentional, and no spaces are wasted during Zoom. So how do you use Numberbender Studio? You just need to use or have your favorite browser. It could be your Safari or it could be Chrome. Just turn it on, go to numberbender.com, click on the studio, and you are going to see this screen where everything is just buttons away from creating your live or more lively layout. And speaking of layout, there are 3 layouts that Number Studio has, and this layout is of course intentional. From my experience of online teaching, I have this basic layout where you have your face right next to your presentation, and you can switch windows if you need to. And then the other layout, the second layout, is when you can highlight your maybe iPad presentation or your iPad screen or your Keynote presentation, and you are just a tiny little circle or square, depending on the shape that you want to use. And what's nice about this app is that you can zoom in and zoom out and position your camera so that you will look great and pretty during a Zoom meeting. And the third layout, this layout is something that I often use whenever I'm introducing technology in my math lessons, like teaching quadratic equations. I have my Desmos on one side and then my iPad on the other side, so I'm showing visual mathematics where I'm showing the graph, and I'm also showing algebraic way on how to solve quadratic equation using my little iPad. And this is my third layout. And now you can all do this and bring it to your Zoom or Teams meeting using your browser. Now let me tell you how much it costs. Nothing. I'm an advocate of OER, and most of my contents that I created for my students inside my classroom are broadcasted for public so that I'd be able to help and make math education accessible to all in Filipino and English. So why not make this setup that I'm using expensive software for free? I have the platform, I have the website, might as well make an app. And this is the app that you can use to make online learning more engaging. Because good teaching shouldn't be locked behind a paywall. So this is my invitation to you, to every teacher, every trainer, every presenter who is tired of hiding in that tiny little box over Zoom. Now come join the movement, teach it like you stream it using the Numberbender Studio at numberbender.com, making your presence more intentional during that Zoom hour. It's free and it's yours. This is my call to action. Come and join the movement, the Teach It Like You Stream It movement, and let's make online teaching something people actually want to watch and not have to watch. Teach it like you stream it. This is Dr. E, and see you again next time.